Good morning, students. This is our lecture number 5 related to the chapter number 1, India's size and location. In the previous chapter, the last 2 points were latitudinal extent influence the duration of day and night, and longitudinal extent influence the differences in time. So, now implication of latitudinal extent. Why it is important for India? First, India's latitudinal extent, as I told you earlier, that India's latitudinal extent is 8 degree 4 minute to 37 degree 6 minute north, and is its north south extent. If I talk about in kilometers, then north south extent is 3214 kilometer in length. Up now you can see the southern part of India is started from 8 degree. It means it is near the equator, and you also know that on the equator the sun rays directly. So equator gets highest heat of the sun, and as we go far from the equator, the heat of the sun reduces. So 8 degree 4 minute, it means the southern part of India is near the sun, so it gets more heat from the sun than the northern parts. Second, the difference between the duration of the day and night is far from the northern parts than in the southern parts. It means as we go to the northern part, the duration of day and night increases, but in the southern part it is very less duration differences. It is just because it is near the equator, where the duration of day and night is equal. So this part, the southern part, is near the equator, and it hardly experiences any differences between the duration of day and night. These are the two implications of the latitudinal extent of India. Now what are the longitudinal extent implication of longitudinal extent? As you know, India's longitudinal extent is 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. It is our longitudinal extent, and if we talk about in kilometer, that is 2933 kilometer. Means west east extent of India is 2933 kilometer in length. This is longitudinal. Longitudinal means the sun rises in the east, and in during the 24 hours it moves towards the west, so it makes the differences in time longitudinal wise. As we go far from the east to west, the time differences increases. The sun rises in the east before and after, then it passes to the west. So it is also an implication that international trade of India is very favorable, because the longitudinal extent is very high. Longitudinal extension is very large of India, is that's why in international trade is favorable. You can see here both the side are sea, and this part of India is related to the Asia, and this part is related to the west, connected with the west. So it has advantage of trade from both the sides. Due to its central location in eastern hemisphere, India lies on the major trade routes. Major trade routes which comes from the Africa or Europe, and from Australia, or from Australia to America or Europe. India lies in the central location. So in the trade is flourished through the sea route. It has helped in establishing close cultural and commercial contacts with these countries, because we are connected with all the countries in the west or in the east as well as. So we are able to establish our cultural and commercial contacts with these countries. Okay, have a nice day.